Welcome back, and would you look at that? GPS is working. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's working. All right, so today we got the H26 over here, and what I did is I swapped out the ESC for an Oxidine 200, and I swapped out that 3660 motor for a 4074 with 2200 kV, 2270 or something like that. So I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm going to throw her in the water. We're over here at the sewer pond, not much space, but you know, we're just going to give her a quick shakedown with this setup. We'll see how she works and we'll take it from there. All right guys, here we go. We're running a 17-14 prop, and we're running the same Mad Lizard swoop fin. Should have forward motion, and we'll see if we're leaking water. So I pool tested her and she wasn't leaking anywhere. Whew. Get these birds out of the way. Got good water cooling. Blowing out those turns a little bit, it feels like. Come on birds, come on birds. Ooh. Barely touching the throttle here, guys. Ooh, she wants to come up for sure. And she's blowing the turns out. Pretty shitty tape job on my part. Let's see. What can we do? She's blowing those turns out. Theoretically, we should want to move our turn fin a little forward to reduce that. We're gonna give that a little like that to bring the nose down a little bit, and more of them coming. These birds hate me, guys. These birds absolutely hate me. Well, if they stay in the middle, we're good. You know, it's hard to tell. We can't, this is a very small turn right here, so if we're blowing this turn out, that other turn we're running much better, but this turn right here, ooh, yeah, she wants to take off. She wants to take off. That was about 3/4 throttle right there, guys. I say she's doing about 45. Yeah, she wants to take off. Oh. You barely touched that throttle over here, guys. Wow. She's probably getting water inside of her, and that's why she's blowing that turn now. No brakes. All right, well, with this, well, it doesn't seem like there's any water. Maybe the water was coming from our electronics, but I did test her. Let's see here, guys. Oh, I didn't bring a towel. Damn it. Notorious for that. Notorious not bringing a towel. Of course, Coby. Do I have one? Do I have one? Damn, and I got like 2 in the car. All right, well, let's check what she did. I said she did about 45. Hmm, 48. Same as before. Maybe we can pull a little more out of her. Maybe we can pull a little. Should we change a prop? Let's see what we have available. That 3-blade, we would need to move the battery all the way back. That's got a lot of transom lift. And right now I don't want to... Can run this 4019. We might be able to run this 4019. You know what, let's try that, guys. Let's run this 4019. All right, guys, I just swapped the prop to a 4019 CNC prop. And let's see what she can do now. I tell you, she's much smoother with this prop. Much smoother with this prop. Still running about the same though. She likes that 1714 way more. Look at that beautiful rooster tail though. It's full trigger. Still blowing those turns out. Beautiful rooster tail though. It's about 3/4 throttle, guys. Let's see if we broke that 50-mile-an-hour mark. Don't hit the curb, Coby. She seems dry finally. I think we're having an issue with the water jacket on the other boat, but I tested it honestly and I couldn't see any leaks. All right, let's see here. .44. She seemed faster. Nope, we're going back in. Oh, we're gonna set this. All right, one last rip. Should I have not said that? Yeah, we're not gonna break 50 in this little pond. She does run really well with this prop though. Look at that. Beautiful turning. Nah, she's running good with this 4019 CNC. Throw her into a turn, guys. If you can't do nothing about it, if you got no space, throw her into a turn and she'll take it. All right. That's pretty much this battery. I don't like draining my SMC packs. They tend to not like getting charged afterwards. All right, no towel, but let's see what we got here with temps. Let's see, are we dry inside? No, we are not. But we're not wet. I mean, we had like slushing water before, so let's check these temps just for the hell of it. This is running a super big system for this small 4S size. 94 on the capacitors, 90, 88 on the back of the motor, 83, battery 97. Yeah, obviously this is super cold. All right, guys, that was not bad at all. That was not bad at all. Let's pull our GPS out of here before she gets even wetter. Wrapped her in tape this time. Now let's see what she did this last rip. I don't think we broke 48. Nope, see, 45. She looks pretty damn fast in this little tiny body of water though, guys. Pretty damn fast. All right. Got grease spraying everywhere. Ugh. So sometimes I like running a stuffing tube, sometimes I don't like running a stuffing tube, but oh yeah, we're getting water in her. I mean, guys, I don't know, man. I put her in the pool, I let her sit in there for like 5 minutes and I was staring her down from the inside. She had no hardware in it at all, except for the transom hardware, obviously. And she was not taking on water. She was bone dry inside. So I honestly, I can't tell you. I can't tell you where that's coming from at the moment. And I'm at the point where I'm just gonna rig up another hull for myself and to see if I'm not crazy. But she's taking those turns nice. She actually really liked this 4019. It's a CNC TFL OSC, offshore electrics prop. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Can't complain, right? Could be worse. Could be worse. So I'll let you guys go. Over here at the sewer pond, you see it's a super small body of water. We have this tiny little turn right over here and we got this island over there. So with the 1714, we ran 48 miles an hour and we couldn't even get past probably half trigger. And with the 4019, by the end of our pack, we were able to run it at 45 miles an hour, but she was super smooth. She was taking the turns nice. It's a nice prop for this small body of water. 1714 is, you know, you got to be a little too gentle with your throttle. other than that, guys, so we will not take up too much of your time. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you guys later.